Hi everyone, today we are going to explain types of paragraph, right? But before we start this lecture, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget like and subscription to my channel. Well, the first one is narrative paragraph. As you look at the word narrative, it is derived from the word narration, which means a story. So basically a narrative paragraph is nothing but it is a paragraph that tells a story. Simply you can say when there is a paragraph which consists of a story, so that paragraph will be called narrative paragraph. It is so easy that a story can be about anything, right? And it is so easy that when there is a story in a paragraph, that paragraph will be called narrative paragraph. Well, the next one is descriptive paragraph. Basically this is another type of paragraph, and it again you can see the term descriptive. It is also derived from the word description. Basically a descriptive paragraph describes a person, place, thing, or an event, etc. I think still you are not getting the point. Let me give you example so then you will understand it. If I tell you look at this glass, right, and I say that write a paragraph on it, and then you start describing the glass and you say that this is a glass which is made of glass and it is very beautiful and so on. When you describe it in a paragraph all its physical attributes, so it is called descriptive paragraph, right? And the next one is expository paragraph. This is the third type of paragraph. This type of paragraph provides information or explains a concept, right? Basically, it presents information in a logical and organized way, often using examples or other supporting evidence to help the reader to understand the topic. I think the thing is getting little bit tricky, but don't worry, you are not, I think, getting the point. So let me make it easier for you. For example, if I tell you to write a paragraph on the topic climate change, so you start writing a paragraph and mentions factual information about the issue of climate change in clear and concise manner. So this is simply called it expository paragraph, because you provide all those information related to the topic climate change. So it is called expository paragraph. The next one is persuasive paragraph. Basically this is another type of paragraph, and the term persuasive is derived from persuasion, which means to persuade someone to do something. Simply you can say that a persuasive paragraph aims to convince the reader to take a particular stance or step on a particular issue or a topic. I think you are not getting the point. For example, if I say write down a paragraph on a topic clean and safe drinking water, right? If I give you this topic and say that write down a paragraph on it, and you start writing a paragraph about it, but you write a paragraph in such a manner that that convinces reader to drink safe and clean drinking water. So this is simply call it persuasive paragraph, because through this paragraph you persuade people or readers to drink clean and safe water, right? So simply you can say that when you write a paragraph and through that paragraph you persuade people to do something, right? So that paragraph will be called persuasive paragraph, right? And the next one is compare and contrast paragraph. This is the easiest paragraph to understand, because this type of paragraph compares and contrasts two or more subjects. When you compare and contrast two things, right? So that will be simply called compare and contrast paragraph. For example, if I say write down a paragraph in which mention similarities and differences of cats and dogs. So when you write down a paragraph on them, so this is simply call it compare and contrast paragraph, because you compare dog and you also contrast dog with cats. So this is simply call it compare and contrast paragraph. The next one is cause and effect paragraph. It is also another type of paragraph which explains the relationship between a cause and its effect, right? For example, if I say write down a paragraph about smoking, so you will mention that lung cancer is caused by smoking and also give reason in a paragraph. So you will also explain that lung cancer is the effect of smoking. So when you show cause and effect in a paragraph, it is simply call it cause and effect paragraph. In this paragraph, it is shown that cancer is caused by what? It is caused by smoking. So that is why it is called cause and effect paragraph. Well guys, if you have enjoyed this lecture, please do not forget like and subscription to the channel. And see you next time. Bye bye.